Hey, it's Paul here on The Friendly Reviewer. On this channel, we do a ton of tech and gadget reviews, as well as keep you up to date with the latest with the Ronin-S, so make sure to hit that subscribe button so you can watch more videos just like this one. In this video, we're going to be talking about the Ronin App update that occurred at the end of August 2018. It's version 1.1.4, so let's check it out. Before we get started, let me clarify that this is not a firmware release or update for the Ronin-S. This is just an app update which helps you configure and set up and use the Ronin-S. So nothing new to put on the Ronin itself. To get started, let's talk about the bugs that were fixed, which they didn't list what they were in the release notes, but I did get some people to contact me saying that this helped them and fix some issues that they were having, but they didn't list what they were. So if you're one of those people, put a comment below and let me know what got fixed with this update. We're all curious to know. The second thing in the update was some confirmation screens that pop up whenever you hit the autotune button or the calibration function, so it warns you and makes sure that you're actually ready, because the people, I guess, will hit those buttons and not realize what they're doing. The thing that seems like they missed is whenever you hit the balance button, it just goes straight into that balance and start moving things around. No confirmation or anything. That's probably going to be coming out in a later release because that's very similar to the autotune and calibration. The third update in this app are some tutorials that were added in front of the Motionlapse and Timelapse features. I think people are a little bit confused, so hopefully that helps them out and lets them understand how to use them. The fourth update is a change in operation. Previously, if you try to use the Panorama function or the Motionlapse function, you had to have a cable plugged in the Ronin-S and it sensed that cable being present to allow you to go into that feature. Now it's just going to warn you and say you don't have shutter control, and then you can proceed and go ahead with it. It's going to allow you to do it anyways. I'm not sure how you use those functions exactly, but maybe if you have some way to control the shutter, you can make use of it. So that's it for this app update. Let me know in the comments below if this fixed anything for you, and also let me know what you'd like to see in future app updates. I'd be really curious. This has been Paul with the Ronin-S app update version 1.1.4. Thank you for watching.